Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to change image angle in Canva. So first, what we're going to do is to find a photo that you're going to use. I'm just gonna flip this one. So I'm gonna add my object now. And as you can see, it's not that fit right here. So what we're going to do is to add some guides. And now let's add our object and adjust it. Same as the guide. Just take your time doing that. You can also use rotation if it's needed. And now you have to save it as PNG. Now after that, you just have to delete what you did last time. And now let's add the picture that we saved. Next, click on remove background and then adjust it to your picture. And then that's basically how you can do that. And then that's it. If this video helps you, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.